is Priya. Welcome to my channel, and for today's video we'll be preparing a herbal oil. Now this oil is something which I've been using since I was a child. My mother makes this oil and that's what we've been using for our hair since childhood. And this I think is pretty much an oil that you'll find in most of Kerala's household. Now this oil is very good for the overall health of your hair. So I had put up an opinion poll on Instagram asking if you all would like to see the preparation of this oil, and most of you all said yes. So today we'll go ahead and see how this oil is prepared, and this will be prepared by my mother, so she'll go ahead and walk us through. So before we get into the video, please just subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also you can follow me on Instagram as well. So let's go ahead and see how this oil is made. So guys, she is my mom and she will make this oil for us today. Apparently she's too camera shy. So yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll walk you through how the oil is made. I'm gonna say hi.
So you need to go ahead and heat the vessel in which you would be making this oil. And once the vessel is hot, add in coconut oil. Now this coconut oil I've bought in from a local shop in Kerala. It's 100% extra virgin coconut oil. You can also use parachute oil, that would also work the same. So once you add the oil, go ahead and add 3 strands of curry leaves. Now the oil that I've taken is half a liter, and then yeah, you add in curry leaves. Curry leaves is very good for your hair, especially if your hair is graying, then it's good for that. Then you add in petals of hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower conditions your hair and makes it very silky. So once you add in hibiscus flower to the oil, you will hear a sound like this. Now is the time that you go ahead and add in basil leaves. Now I've added in basil tulsi leaves. So once you add in tulsi leaves, let this entire mixture, let it boil, let it slow, put the gas on slow and let it boil. Once it's boiled, this is how it will look.
This is how the oil will look once it's done. Please make sure you squish it with your hand, and once it cools down, not when it is hot, don't touch it when it is hot. Once it cools down, like after 1 hour or so, squish it with your hand and then store it in a jar. And post that, whenever you want to oil your hair, just apply it on the scalp and over the ends of your hair. That was it for this video, guys. Hope you all liked it. If you all did, like, share and comment below on this video. So until next time, ta-ta.